Let's address the electrical question regarding a remote main disconnect switch in a garage. The National Electrical Code Section 225.32 does not dictate the need for a main circuit breaker within a garage subpanel. Instead, Section 225.32 pertains to disconnecting means for appliances and other equipment supplied by feeders or branch circuits. In the context of your garage subpanel, the critical factor is whether the neutral and ground buses are separate. According to National Electrical Code Section 250.32d, a main circuit breaker is not required within the garage panel if the neutral and ground buses are indeed separate. The reason for this exemption lies in the clear separation of the neutral and ground conductors. Separate buses establish a distinct point for disconnecting the garage panel's power supply. Your question mentions a 50 amp circuit breaker in your house panel feeding the garage panel. With separate neutral and ground buses in the garage, the 50 amp circuit breaker in the house panel acts as the overcurrent protection for the feeder to the garage. Safe switching procedures and single management of power can be accomplished by turning off the 50 amp circuit breaker in the main panel. Therefore, the presence of separate neutral and ground buses in the garage panel alleviates the need for an additional main circuit breaker within that panel as per the National Electrical Code. The 50 amps breaker in the house panel along with separate neutral and ground fulfills the disconnect requirements.